Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today, I'm gonna make a, pizza shop. I don't know, just for the fun of it, because why not? And, it'll make me some money, so then people can actually buy pizza. See, look at this, look at this. Grab pizza. Oh, no, we can't be in build. So I think this is, our shop is actually done. I'll have to just make a menu. No, I'm eating raw pizza. What am I doing? What is this doing? Oh, I need like some fancy pizza baker or something. Grab pizza. I want to use the oven. How do I use thine oven? Do I need to buy some fancy pizza shop oven? Here, let's look at this. Stuff. Pizza place. Do I need some fancy... Fine. Fine, I'll buy it. But this is so freaking expensive. Seriously, 240 Adopt Me bucks. Why? Why do I need to spend so much money? It's the classic piece, isn't it? Okay. I officially think that was a ripoff. Oh, no, I'm not deleting my pizza dough. I don't want to delete pizza dough. Okay, quickly. Need to get rid of that thing and replace it with this bad boy. What is it doing? This is not fun. Oh my Lord. You know what? No. No more like that. I need to... Okay. Stuff. I might disappeared. I don't have enough to buy a new one. And it disappeared. That is so sad. That literally just disappeared. You know what? I gotta sell something now. Like, I literally gotta sell something now. Are you serious? Okay, let's go, guys. This is officially a ripoff. I just spent 200 Adopt Me bucks. Guys. That is the most ridiculous thing ever. I'm selling that. And it's... Okay, you know what? We'll delete that for now. You know what? So anybody even comes to this place, I'm going to have to let them know that I'm a YouTuber. Still not got enough. Okay, I'm not... Okay. That's perfect. I'll buy I'll buy like the cheapest freaking table after. But I am gonna get an actual cooker first, so I don't get annoyed till I like start turning red. I will... Oh my god. It's happening too much. It is because it's coming. It won't stop. You know, we'll just do that for now. I really don't care the placement of the pizza toppings. No. No. But the, like, pizza oven. This is so annoying. I hate it. Oh my lord. What? You know what? This is our upstairs dining place. Really, like, I'm gonna delete the, I shall delete this thing. I'll just delete it. Cause really, like, I need people to spend $2 on a pizza. I need that to happen. Okay, I have enough now, and maybe I can even afford to buy another bench again next time. But I'm not spending that much money. I had to sell stuff and then like buy it back and then sell more stuff and then buy it back again. Okay, I don't have enough counter space. That looks like that, but whatever. You know what? We're done then. We're done then. That's that. We're done. We'll earn money now by buying a menu. Let's go buy a platform so I can make the menu so people know what they can buy here. So if they're vegan, you know, they can choose what they want. I'm prepared. Where is it? And some of these. We literally need to go to baby stuff and buy a drawing board. Let's buy a big drawing board, because then guess what? So we yeet this idiot out of the way. And here. I got some nice new things. Okay, now I need to put the menu here. Boss baby. You know what? We'll accept her friend request. Cool. Maybe like I don't know. Guys, comment down below if comment down below your Roblox username, cuz like I want to be friends with you if you are a fan or if you just want to hang out. But yeah, so what should the menu be? Cheese. P-I-Z-Z-A, cheese pizza. Pep. Pepper. Pep. P-E-P-P-E-E-R-O. Rone. R-O-N-E. Pepperoni. P-I-Z-Z-A. I don't know. And M-O-R-E. Maybe like the girl that just friend requested me will like, yeah, it doesn't let me say the second one. Okay. Maybe so wait, I'm actually gonna see if Boss Baby has anything in the chat. So I can, here, wait, we'll teleport to her. I'm gonna teleport to her. Oh, she's still loading into the game. Okay. Really? She's still loading in? Okay. She's here. Hi. Hi. Here, we should TP to her again, I guess. Hi. 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 Wanna come get a P-I-Z-Z-A for 2 D-A-D-O-L-L dollars. Want to get a pizza for and invite to family. Sent invitation. She declined my invitation. But she wanted to be a part of my family though. I swear, if she declines my... Girl, I'm inviting you to my family. This is too much, girl. She's too much right now. Invite to family. Invitation sent. Okay, she joined my family. So wait, I'm gonna teleport. Okay, I'm just gonna reset. Okay, time to reset now, everybody. Boss baby. I'm gonna say TP to me. TP to me. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna ask her TP to me. We're gonna, private chat her too. I hope she comes. I hope she does TP to me because I need a customer, as you can see. I'm gonna see if I can buy a table booth, like a seating for it, because like this won't do at all. No way. Okay, pizza place. Nope, it's too much money. Okay, whatever. Hi. What just happened? I'm unlocking my house. Gotta reset this. Okay. TP. This is not going correctly. My plan, guys. Okay. Yeah, she just like fell out of existence somehow. Boss baby. Let's teleport to her. Hi. Are you buying a pizza? Are you buying a pizza? Pizza? Because can you buy me a fly potion? No. Why would she ask me for a fly potion? Like, I just met her. No? Well, that's not very nice. You know what? I'm sorry, but I think I'm gonna have to unfriend this girl. I'm unfriending her. And I might end up reporting her, because that's kind of not okay. That's actually kind of mean. All I wanted was for her to buy a pizza, and it's not even that expensive. I was planning to sell it to her for $2 bucks. What? Just because I wouldn't give her a ride potion? That is weird. Okay, guys, well, I mean, we'll make a part 2 for this, because I'm pretty sure this ain't going to be successful. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that notification button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Anyways, bye, guys!